Hello everyone! Today I would like to say a few words about my experience of being one of the Cardmakers of the year 2024. How does it feel to have won Cardmaker of the year 2024 a year on? Winning Cardmaker of the year still feels like an incredible dream even after almost a year. The excitement and joy hasn't faded. I'm still in awe and deeply honored to have been one of the winners. It's a prestigious recognition that continues to inspire me every day. I'm also immensely grateful to the organizers for creating such a wonderful competition. What were some of your favorite products that you won from the competition? I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for the incredibly generous and amazing prizes. It's difficult to choose just a few favorites because every single product has found a place in my creative projects. I actively use all of them, and each item has brought new inspiration and excitement to my crafting journey. These prizes have truly enriched my creative process. How long have you been papercrafting for? I have been passionate about papercrafting for 6 years now, and it has truly become a part of my life. I love the endless possibility this form of creativity offers, and I am always excited to explore new ideas and techniques. What is the best piece of crafting advice that you have been given? Never stop experimenting and always enjoy the creative process. Embracing new ideas and techniques keeps crafting exciting and fulfilling. Do you have any favorite makes from the past year that you would like to share? Absolutely. One of my favorites is a decorative photo frame I created using materials from my prize package from Chloe's Creative Cards. It turned out beautifully and has a special place in my collection. I also loved making 12 Christmas cards using supplies for Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine. Each of these projects brought me immense joy and allowed me to showcase my creativity. Is there any advice that you could offer to this year's entrants? Believe in yourself and don't hesitate to enter the competition. Have confidence in your work, embrace your unique style, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Dreams really do come true. Has there been a favorite magazine commission that you have had? Yes, one of my favorite commissions was for Creative Stamping magazine, where I created 5 non-card papercraft projects. It was a fantastic experience and I was thrilled with how everything turned out. Creating all the page winter projects pushed my creativity in new and exciting directions. Has winning inspired you to try new techniques? Absolutely. Winning this competition gave me the motivation to explore new techniques and expand my skills. One of the biggest changes has been incorporating alcohol marker into my designs, which I have absolutely fallen in love with since trying them. What was your favorite part about winning? It's still hard to believe that I won. The entire experience has been incredible, from receiving amazing prizes to becoming part of the design team and gaining more confidence in my creative journey. This achievement has been truly life-changing and I am beyond grateful for the opportunity. Once again, a huge thank you to Practical Publishing for such an incredible opportunity. It truly was amazing. I am also deeply grateful to all of you who watch my videos, leave comments, and give likes. I really do appreciate it. See you next time.